Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Asia here. If this is your first time to my channel, today we're going to be talking all about foundation and coverage. You know what, to be honest, I had no idea that foundation had different types of coverage. I had no idea that there was something else that I should be looking for when I went into the drugstore and started buying my first few bottles of foundation. But coverage is very important. So what exactly is coverage? Coverage is basically how much of your skin will show through. So there are 4 different types of coverages that you want to be aware of. There's BBCC creams, and I think I even heard something about like a DD cream. There's sheer coverage, medium coverage, and full coverage. So what's the difference between it? Well, if coverage is how much of your skin can show through, then really these 4 different types of coverages are self-explanatory. BBCC cream would start at the very bottom or top of the list, depending on how you look at it, but it's basically like, think of like a lotion. It is a tinted moisturizer, but what helped me was I saw somewhere where it said that it was like a lotion with like color to it. So that's essentially what you're putting on your face if you're using a BB or CC cream. It has SPF in it. It helps to even out your skin tone, but it's not a foundation. It's very light. It's very moisturizing. That's why it's called a tinted moisturizer. Sheer foundation or sheer coverage, because not all foundations are equal. Sheer coverage is exactly that. It's the sheerest amount of coverage. You're not going to hide any of your imperfections. It's a little more than a BBCC cream, but it's not going to provide you anything by way of coverage because it's sheer. Medium coverage foundations are going to provide you with a little bit more coverage. It's going to cover those imperfections, but it's not going to, you're still going to have your skin show through, but it's going to do a little more than the sheer coverage. It's, to me, the medium coverage foundations are like an everyday foundation, and there are different types of finishes, but for the purpose of this video, we're only specifically talking about the coverage. So in a medium coverage foundation, that's one like Maybelline, typically like what you would get from the drugstore are usually going to be medium coverage foundations, and you're going to find that it's something that you can pick up and use every day, and it's not going to be very heavy. Full coverage foundation is when you want to get glam hunty. That coverage is it is the heaviest coverage foundation. It's the foundation that you're going to put on if you have like a special occasion, if you want longevity in your foundation, in your coverage. If you want to literally cover everything that's on your face, my husband says it's when I turn myself into an owl. You know those white owls where all you see are like those black eyes and everything else is just completely white? That's or brown or whatever color you are. That's essentially what you're doing to your face. You are taking away every imperfection, every skin difference on your face, and you are starting with a blank canvas. Full coverage foundations are going to be heavier. Those are the ones that tend to look more cakey. Those are the ones that could cause breakouts if you're not taking care of your skin by using or by having a good skincare regimen, or unless you find a foundation like Lancome is non-comedogenic. Comedogenic means non-comedogenic, which basically means it's not going to clog your pores. But you still got to take care of your skin. You got to wash your skin. You got to take care of it. You got to exfoliate. You got to do all those things. You should be doing that with all of the coverages that you use, regardless of whether or not you think that it's going to cause breakouts. With any of these coverages, what you have to do is really slow down when you go into the store and pay attention to what you're picking up. Oftentimes what I found is when you go into the drugstore won't have it like blatant in your face where it says this is full coverage, this is medium coverage, this is sheer. You actually have to search for that. Like on Maybelline's counter, it says it on one of those like little small you know, like it's not, I don't even think sometimes it's on the bottle, but it has it on the really, it's like a really small thingamawop. You know what I mean? I'll probably try to put a picture or an image of it in here. I think the biggest thing for the drugstore was when Maybelline came out with their Super Stay foundation, because they touted the fact that it's full coverage, and so they wanted everybody to know that. And for a full coverage foundation to be sold in a drugstore, it was just a, you know, a really big thing. So that was something that was like front and center. But if you look, you'll see light, which essentially to me is sheer. You'll see medium coverage foundation. And so those are the kinds that, those are the things that you have to pay attention to when you go in. Why? Because you might go in, pick up a foundation thinking that it's going to cover all of your imperfections, and then use way too much foundation on your face, and it's never going to do what you want it to do because it's not the right coverage. See why coverage is so important? Okay, I think that's all I got for my 2-minute tip, but this is probably a little bit longer than 2 minutes. I should call it like 5-minute tip. I don't know, we'll figure it out. All right, that's all I got. If there's something about foundation coverage that I didn't cover, leave it in the comment section so that everybody else who wants to learn a little bit more about makeup can, you know, glean some information. I will see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, make sure you click the thumbs up button. If you did not like this video, make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section telling me what I could have possibly done to make this video better for you. And if you want to watch some more videos, I'm going to make it easy for you by putting up a video around here and putting up my floating head, so that way you can subscribe, y'all, because it's the right thing to do. I'll see you guys in the next video.